As a kid, I'm the kitty litter. Lenz Truck! Lenz Truck! Nobody gives a fuck. And Lenz Truck! We don't give a flying shit what you come with or how you're equipped. If you got a 2-inch hitch or a little 1-incher, we can give a flying fuck. We'll put her off at the crossroads. We're not connected in any way with Merceburger Trailer World. Brilliant. Just kidding, it's not in Brilliant. It's in, what's the little fucking town over here next to Chilton? I drove through it every day for 2 years. Can't remember the name. That's how clear. It's called Hilbert. Thank you. Sounds like Hilbert, but not like the cartoon. This motherfucker's flowing on the moon. Hilbert sucks. Yet it has Merceburger Trailer World and not Lenz Truck. If it had Lenz Truck, it might be cooler than Merceburger Trailer World, but it's not. Here's your fucking ticket to the real. It's all about Lenz Truck. Not sure of the location because they don't say it on the commercial. It might be located in Bottle Sack, or Milky Blockade, or Madison, or all the way back here in Chilton. Nobody fucking knows. It's Lenz Truck. It's a ghost. Cannot be found on any map of the universe. This motherfucker's diverse as hell. Not 3D or 4D or 5D. It's off the map and off of the realm of human smell. Or dog smell. It's Lenz Truck. Yeah. That's too fun, because that commercial is that bad. It just played before it was probably going to play in a minute. If you're not familiar, you should catch yourself a glimpse. It's terrible.